Here's the good news for you. Glenmark became the first pharmaceutical company in India to receive regulatory approval for oral antiviral favipiravir for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19. Manufacturing and marketing approval granted as part of accelerated approval process. Considering the emergency situation of the COVID-19 outbreak in India, the approval's restricted use entails responsible medication use where every patient must have signed informed consent before treatment initiation. Favipiravir shows clinical improvement of up to 88% in COVID-19 with rapid reduction in viral load by 4 days. Clinical improvement noted across age group 20 to below 90 years, including in the patients with comorbid conditions like diabetes and heart diseases suffering from mild to moderate COVID-19. Glenmark to market the antiviral under the brand name FabiFlu. As according to the present information from the Mumbai, June 20th, 2020, according to the company, in a landmark development for the COVID-19 patients in India, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, a research-led integrated global pharmaceuticals company, today announced the launch of antiviral drug Favipiravir. Brand name is FabiFlu for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. Glenmark has received the manufacturing and marketing approval from India's drug regulators, marketing FabiFlu, the first oral favipiravir approved medication in India for the treatment of COVID-19. Favipiravir is backed by strong clinical evidence showing encouraging results in patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. The antiviral offers broad spectrum RNA virus coverage with clinical improvement noted across age group 20 to below 90 years. Favipiravir can be used in the COVID-19 patients with comorbid conditions such as diabetes and heart diseases with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. It offers the rapid reduction in viral load within 4 days and provide the faster symptomatic and radiological improvement. Of most importance, Favipiravir has shown clinical improvement of up to 88% in COVID-19 mild to moderate COVID-19 cases. Glenmark successfully developed the active pharmaceutical ingredients and the formulation of FabiFlu through its own in-house research and development team. Glenmark filed the product for clinical trial with the India's drug regulator DCGI and become the first pharmaceutical company in India to receive the approval for conducting phase 3 clinical trial on mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. Commenting on the significance of this development, Mr. Glenn Saldanha, Chairman and Managing Director of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, said, "This approval comes at a time when cases in India are springly like never before, putting a tremendous pressure on our healthcare system. We hope the availability of an effective treatment such as FabiFlu will considerably help assuage this pressure and offer patients in India a much needed and timely therapy options. He added, Feviflu has demonstrated an encouraging response in mild to moderate COVID-19 patients during the clinical trials. Moreover, it is orally administered, and so it is served as a more convenient treatment options over other intravenously administered medications. Glenmark will work closely with government and medical community to make Febiflu quickly accessible to patients across the country. Patients exhibiting mild to moderate symptoms can benefit from Febiflu use. The drug will be available as a prescription-based medication for Indian rupees 103 rupees for the cost of one tablet, with the recommended dose begin with 1800 mg twice daily on day 1, followed by 800 mg twice daily up to day 14. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, in the short form GPL, is a global research-led pharmaceutical company with the presence across generic, specialty and OTC business with operations in over 50 countries. Glenmark's key therapy-focused areas globally are respiratory, dermatology and oncology. It is ranked among the top 80 pharma and biotech companies of the world in terms of revenue. If you like this precious information, then click like and subscribe this channel and comment in the comment section. And moreover, there is a link given just below in this video. Click this link and give your answer of some simple questions. Thank you.